LexJet aqueous perforated window vinyl lets you easily turn retail windows into prime advertising space. Begin by applying masking tape to both sides of the graphic. This will help when lining up the graphic and securing it during the first part of installation. Line up the graphic and use the tape to hold it in place. Remove the top part of the release liner. Use a squeegee to apply the material to the glass. Work from the middle of the graphic out, from bottom to top. This is an inset window, so the graphic has been printed a little bit larger than the actual dimensions of the window, and it will be trimmed to the exact dimensions during installation. After applying the top part of the graphic, remove the tape and roll the graphic up to remove the release liner. Instead of removing the liner in one big piece, it can be removed in smaller sections so the material doesn't prematurely adhere to the glass. When applying this material to an inset window or frame, be careful when pushing the material into place at the edges with a standard plastic squeegee so the material doesn't rip. During installation, this material can be removed and reapplied to eliminate any air bubbles. However, if the material isn't laminated, pull it off slowly and evenly while looking at the area being removed to make certain that the material isn't being stretched and the hole pattern isn't being distorted. Once the material has been applied to the glass, it needs to be trimmed. Here, we are using the squeegee as a guide when trimming the material with a sharp blade. The pressure from the squeegee helps to hold the material in place while cutting. Be sure to burnish the edges of the material after trimming. The finished product looks great and even offers some privacy for those on the inside looking out. If you have any questions about LexJet's aqueous perforated window vinyl or want to learn about other great materials for advertising or signage applications, please contact your LexJet customer specialist at 800-453-9538.